Hello, I'm going to be answering WAEC 2019 Geography Objective Past Question 12. How many passengers traveled between Izabu and Ashama? A. 6,000, B. 8,000, C. 10,000, D. 12,000. Now, we are to use this diagram or this map to estimate the number of passengers that traveled between two towns on the map, Izabu and Ashama. So this is Izabu on the map and this is Ashama on the map. Now this is a flow map and the lines represent a specific number of passengers. Each line represents a specific number of passengers and the lines represent the direction of travel as well. So the scale, from the scale given to us, one line represents 1,500 persons. So in order to find the number of passengers that traveled between these two towns, all we need to do is count the lines here, and whatever we get, we multiply the number of lines by 1,500. So the number of lines between Izabu and Ashama here are 8 in number. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 multiplied by 1,500, and the answer 8 multiplied by 1,500 is 12,000. So 12,000 passengers traveled between Izabu and Ashama, and 12,000 is option D. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.